Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in once again for our Quick Tip Tuesday video. Today we are talking about when it's time to replace your coils with the Mini-Ductor product line and thermal tape on the Inductor Series attachments. Let's start with our Inductor Series line. You will notice each attachment, except for the PDR baton and fast-off pad, have what we call thermal tape. Thermal tape is there to help protect your application and helps insulate the magnet from heat. It's time to replace the tape when you notice the tape has become dirty and/or worn. Make sure you check the thermal tape on your applicator before each use. Now let's move on to the Mini-Ductor product line. As you know, all of our coils are covered in a thin layer of insulation. Broken, frayed, or missing insulation is a clear indicator that it's time to replace the coil. If you don't replace the coils and they are damaged, you run the risk of arcing the unit, causing it to short out. Think it's time to replace your thermal tape or coils? Call your local tool distributor or visit our website. And that's your quick tip for this Tuesday.